Good day. We have a query from one of our subscribers who wish to know how to use the graphic calculator to calculate the probability of a normal distribution. So without further ado, let's go to the question. The question is, X is normally distributed with mean 30 gram and standard deviation of 8 gram. Calculate the probability that X is less than 20 gram. So the first thing we do in a normal distribution, we always have to draw the normal distribution. So we're going to put the number. So the mean is 33. The mean in the middle there. So mean is going to be 33 gram. And standard deviation is going to be 8 gram. So we write as sigma equal to 8 gram. Then the question asks you, what is the probability? Probability in normal distribution is the area under the curve that X is less than 20 gram. So 33 in the middle. So 20 have to be somewhere on the left. So less than means on the left hand side. So that is the area we need to find. If we can find the area of that, that is actually the probability. To do that, it's very simple. Go to your calculator, go to the stats button. Okay, the stats button. Then you go press the execute and you get into this function. Next, you go to distribution. Distribution is F5. F5 is distribution. And then you are going to look for normal. Normal is F1 now. F1 is normal. And then now you have three functions, NPD, NCD, and inverse normal. We'll do the inverse later on in another video. But for normal distribution, we always use NCD. That is F2. So press the F2 button, NCD, and you are up into this table now. So what you do now, you're going to input the data, and once you input the data, you'll get the result immediately. So make sure your data is in variable. Lower is where it starts. So from the graph, it's going to be any number from here onwards. Okay, so you can start with any number. So you can put minus 10,000. Okay, and upper is where the graph is going to end. In our graph, it's going to be end at 20 because it's going to be less than 20. So the graph end at 20. So your upper is going to be 20. So just key in. Once you press the lower, you press the execute button. And the upper is going to be 20. And then you're going to press execute again. And the sigma is going to be the standard deviation, which is 8. The standard deviation is 8. And the new is the mean, which is 33. Once you have done that, just press the execute button. And then you press execute again, and the answer is 0.05208, and that is the probability using the normal distribution graph. Great, we shall do one more example, and you should be all good after that. So, the second example, similar, okay? So we shall look at the second example. Okay, the battery is a bit low now. So we are going to go to menu again. Okay, so we'll read the question now. The machine produced ball bearing. The weight of these ball bearing are normally distributed with mean 2005 and SD of 8 milligram. Okay, find the probability that the ball bearing produced weighs more than 2490 milligram. So again, you need to draw the graph. Okay, draw the normal distribution. Okay, so the mean is 2,500. So sigma, the nu is 2005 milligram. Sigma is the standard deviation, which is 8 milligram. And this time you want to find more than 2490. 2490 is again on the left. So you're going to write here 2490. And you want to produce that weighs more than 2490. So it should be on the right side of the graph. Okay, so you need to find the area here. Okay, once you have done that, go to your calculator again, go to stats, press the execute button, and again, we're going to go up again, and a variable, this time the lower is where it starts at 2490, so you press 2490, and then you execute it. Upper is where you're going to end, so you're going to end far, far away, so maybe you put 10,000 or 1 million or whatever you like, and then you're going to put the mean and standard deviation. Sigma is the standard deviation, so you put 8, and nu is the mean, which is 2,500, and the last step, just press the execute button, and one more time, and the probability is 0. Probability of X is equal to 0.8944, and that will give you the answer for how to calculate using the graphic calculator. Hope you learned something today, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.